Namaste. You are listening to Fail to Win, written by Dinesh Patel, Air Warrior, and narrated by Mitali Pirangute. Chapter 17, Action, a Best Motivator. Some people asked Henry Ford, "Who motivates you?" He answered, "I get up early morning and start working, and motivation joins from my backyard." Don't fall prey to laziness or procrastination. Start taking baby steps and scale up your activities. As I said earlier, I started sending greetings on 15th August to customers and friends. Then I started sending it to collectors and commissioners. Then I sent it to the Prime Minister and Chief Minister. Surprisingly, I got reply from then Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee's office and from then Chief Minister Shri Keshubhai Patel. What a pleasant moment! I laminated those replies and pinned it on my office notice board. Tiny actions and mighty results. Small is big. Take small steps which will keep you motivated. Even a thought will do it later is also a laziness. Benjamin Franklin said, "I got such mighty results from small actions that I have stopped calling anything as small." Be prepared for war. Always. 1971 Indo-Pak War was my most powerful experience of my life. I was posted on East Pakistan border, now Bangladesh. Official war started on 3rd December 1971, and exactly in 14 days, Pakistan was made to surrender with 93,000 enemy soldiers laying down their weapons in front of great Indian army. This was the most proud moment for all of us. This was the most decisive war ever fought in last 100 years, said sources from Britain. We all were jubilant and in celebrative mood and hoping for some rewards or incentives. But what happened was full-fledged training and work started just 12 days after. We felt sad and told our commanding officer,
सर अभी अभी तो युद्ध हमने इतने बड़े पैमाने पर जीता है, पूरी दुनिया में हमारी सेनाओं ने तहलका मचा दिया है। तब हमारे सीईओ साहब ने जवाब दिया, याद रखना, बेहतरीन रणनीति वो होती है जहां इंसान लड़ते रहता है, जीत हासिल हो जाने के बाद भी। और तब ये बात समझ आ गई कि हमारी सेनाएं क्यों जीतती हैं और युद्ध स्तर पर काम या वर्किंग ऑन वॉर फुटिंग क्या होता है।
Be alert, learning and always on move. It's the time for the fastest and furious. I am advocating something uninfluenced by success or failure. That is your values, your ethics, and your inner management. When I sold my luxury car and paid my landers, I felt successful. When I sold my house and shifted to a rented house to clear the bankers, I felt satisfied and also energized to take up next challenge. Take the case of God Rama. His life was total disaster. The day he was crowned as a king, he had to move with his newly married wife to the jungle. What must have been his life in the jungle? Then Sita ji was kidnapped and whole Ramayana happened. He almost killed his both sons. He never met Sita ji again. As Sadhguru Vasudev says, Rama lived a super failure life. Then why do we worship him? It is because he remained calm, committed, with smile on his face and remained 100% balanced. He portrayed peaceful and blissful inner management. I am advocating the ingredients of personality. I am not advocating any success formula because there is none which can work for all the time. Amitabh Bachchan, Dhirubhai Ambani or Sachin Tendulkar are quoted many times, but their sons Abhishek Bachchan, Anil Ambani or Arjun Tendulkar could not repeat their achievements even when they were mentored by legends themselves. Experts says that even Gandhiji cannot duplicate Operation Independence in today's situation. parameters of success are different at different times. What I have learned from them is their dedication, determination, discipline, and passion for the work they did. They never left the work half done, being good finishers. I participated in 6 car rallies. Few participants during the rally, if they found they are not going to win, they left the rally halfway. I made it a point to finish it even when I knew that I am not winning. That gave me satisfaction of completing the task. We got certificate also of successfully completing the rally. I won third prize in one rally at the age of 55. I feel even completing the previous rallies developed in me an attitude of winning. After a gap of 9 years at the age of 64, I again participated in a rally and won first prize. The first winning third prize was with a new car and at a younger age, and second winning first prize with the old car at 9 years older age happened. What I learned that first time, with more powerful resources, I had less inner management. Second time, I was more determined to win, and by the time I became good finisher of any task. Surprisingly, Wing Commander Vijay Karnik, retired 1971 war hero, was the in charge of both the rallies. He even remembered that 9 years back I was the winner. He acknowledged by saying,
ये लड़का जब भी आता है जीत के जाता है.
anything in our life happens twice, first in the mind, then the outside. What was unique of this car rally was that it called blind car rally, where a driver will not know the route. A blind person called navigator will have route in his braille lipi, who will keep prompting the route. On winning first prize, a press reporter asked me the experience of the blind car rally. I told 2 things. First, actually winner is Mr. Nitin Shah, my blind navigator. Because if his direction was not correct, however fast I would have driven, I would have reached fast at a wrong place. Hence, I learned that the direction is more important than the speed. Second, life itself is either a great adventure or nothing.
2 बंजारा के समूह अलग अलग गांव में बसे हुए थे. जब बारिश नहीं होती थी तो उनकी परंपरा के अनुसार बारिश को बुलाने के लिए वो नाचते थे. होता ये था कि जब एक समूह नाचता था तो बारिश हो जाती थी, लेकिन दूसरा समूह नाचता तो बारिश नहीं होती थी. ऐसा जब 3-4 साल हुआ तो मुखिया जहां बारिश होती थी उस मुखिया के पास गया और उससे पूछा कि ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम नाचते हैं तो बारिश नहीं होती और आप लोग जब भी नाचते हैं बारिश हो जाती है. तब उस मुखिया ने बड़ा सुंदर जवाब दिया, क्योंकि हम लोग बारिश होने तक नाचते हैं. भारतीय वायुसेना में हमने सीखा है, मैदान छोड़ने वाले कभी जीतते नहीं और जीतने वाले कभी मैदान छोड़ते नहीं.
As I said earlier, 80-20 principle works well many places for achieving success. 80% mindset and 20% mechanism is required to finish any task. 80% of your business comes from 20% of your customers. Focus on 20% customers. 80% is the attitude and 20% is the education works for achieving success. 80% customers are fence sitters who can be convinced for any product, and 20% customers are either quality and price conscious. 80% of assets of the world are held by 20% of rich people. 80% sales calls generates 20% of leads. 80% of time in business should be spent with the customers and only 20% time in administration for a successful enterprise. 80% results come from 20% of your activities if you do only right jobs instead of all the jobs right. To sum up, ad campaign of Raymond Suiting says, "You become the complete man by wearing their suits." This makes you externally the complete man. To become internally complete man, my formula is
मुंह में शक्कर, पाँव में चक्कर, दिल में तूफान, आंखों में सपने और दिमाग में डिसिप्लिन आपको संपूर्ण सफल इंसान बना सकते हैं। मीठा बोलो, बी डायनेमिक एंड मैन ऑफ एक्शन। दिल में जोश, दिमाग में होश और सपनों में जान अगर हो तो सारी कायनात आपको रास्ता दे देती है। आपको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कि आपका गीत कोई और नहीं गा सकता, आपका नृत्य कोई और नहीं कर सकता और आपकी कहानी कोई और नहीं लिख सकता। ये आप ही कर सकते हैं और इसका फैसला आपको अभी करना है। आपकी अंदरूनी ताकत आपकी बाहरी ताकतों से कहीं ज्यादा है।
be great always.